Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Cantara if you don't know me, and today we are going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette. So first off, I'm going to start off by prepping with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 04. So now that my eye is prepped, I'm going to be going into the palette. I do want to say that in terms of the packaging, I'm not the biggest fan. I don't really like this tin situation, but I do really like that they put a giant mirror in this palette. Anyway, so first off, I'm going to go into the shade Booked and Busy. And I must say, I'm very impressed with the pigments in this palette. It's really, really good. I would have definitely purchased this palette if it wasn't sent to me. It's really, really nice. So now I just picked up a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out that shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade Brown Sugar. And I'm just going to use that on this fluffy brush to diffuse that burgundy shade. The shades blend really, really beautifully together. So like, what I really like about it is the fact that the colors aren't going away as I'm blending them. So you can still see the burgundy shade, but you can also now see Brown Sugar. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Jet Setter. So now I'm just going to take that shade Jet Setter and place it on the outermost corner and into the crease. There. I'm just going back into the shade Booked and Busy, and I'm just gonna add a touch more of that. Now I'm gonna go back in with my P. Louise base and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm gonna go back into the shade Booked and Busy, and I'm just going to blend that outer corner with the concealer. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Natural Glam, which is a yellow toned shade. Just going to take that shade and place it on the inner corner and about halfway through the lid. Then I'm going to go into the shade Never Say Never, which is this yellow shade over here. I'm just going to place that in between that light yellow Natural Glam shade and Booked and Busy. I also really like the color payoff of this yellow shade. I think it's really, really amazing for drugstore makeup. Now for some fun, I'm gonna go into the shade Risk Taker, which is this blue shade teal green situation. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Booked and Busy and just blend out this green shade with that shade. Lastly, I'm gonna go into the shade Darlings. So I'm really going to go off camera and do my lashes and put some lipstick on, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts on the palette. Okay, so I'm back, and the lashes that I'm wearing are the Cover the Lashes lash style in Baby. And then I'm wearing the Pixie X Miriam liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Nude. This one. And this lip liner from LA Gold Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate. Like I said in the beginning of the video, packaging wise, I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging. I feel like it's very chunky and bulky, but honestly, it's very cute. I like the design of it. I feel like they just could have done this on normal plastic or cardboard, like hard paper packaging. I also really like the fact that there is a huge mirror in this palette on the other side. I don't want to flash you guys again, so I'm a little bit sad that they didn't bring the full collection, because I really would have liked to try the Life in Color palette, which had like a lot of color. Like there was greens, like lime green, there was purple, pink, like there was a lot. The palette can be bought at Clicks and Clicks online in selected stores, and it retails for $4.99. It is expensive for a Makeup Revolution palette. So I have this Makeup Revolution palette as well, and this palette retails for 130 rand. So going from 130 to their like lowest to 500 rand at their highest, I feel like it's a jump. It's a lot, like, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. Like the blendability, the pigment, it's easy to use, so I don't understand how you could mess this up. However, I do want to play around and do a few more looks with this palette, especially with like the shimmer formulas, because I only used one. Everything else is matte and totally up my alley. So yeah, so if you guys want to see another video of me using the Patricia Bright X Makeup Revolution Rich and Life palette, then please let me know down in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and